you buried me underground. Who would have thought you'd ever let me down? I was naive to ever believe what my heart on my sleeve now. Who'd ever thought you'd ever let me down, 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 down. Now I was dying, something kept me from sliding. I see my heartbeat providing, starts my temperature rising. Now this wave I'm riding, tonight I'm resigning, find someone else to confide in. A new future I'm drafting, with a love true and everlasting. Now I'm asking you, asking you, I'm asking you, asking you. Who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? Who's laughing? Who's laughing? I wanna know who's laughing now? Who's laughing? Who's laughing now? I wanna know who's laughing now? Who's laughing? Who's laughing now? I wanna know who's laughing now? Who's laughing? Who's laughing now? Can I never be called again? Can I never be called again? Come on, let's swing. You left me torn and bleeding. Now it's my life I'm retrieving. A new love I'm receiving. I'm not stuck on grieving. I've given up my heart in. I should have never started. I get down with a hearty, but I can never party. You know life is a party. You know life is a party. I said life is a party. I said life is a party. I said life is a party. Life is a party. Who's laughing now?